Brock Lesnar to come back and cost WWE superstar his championship at SummerSlam this year. Looking at possibility. So guys, Brock Lesnar's WWE return could shake the entire landscape of the Stamford-based promotion. The Beast Incarnate was last seen at SummerSlam 2023, and since then he was yet to resurface on WWE television. The fans of the Beternal Grapper are still hoping that one day he will return to the sports entertainment juggernaut. As he heads towards SummerSlam 2025, there is a chance that Brock Lesnar could come return at the biggest party of the SummerSlam and cost Dominic Mysterio the IC title match. The Judgment Day member is set to defend his Intercontinental Championship against AJ Styles at SummerSlam. According to reports, the last year Brock Lesnar's original plans were to face 30 Dom at Elimination Chamber 2024. Following this year, Lesnar was supposed to clash against Gunther, but all plans were scrapped after the Beast name was alluded to in a legal issue involving Vince McMahon and WWE. However, if WWE still has planned to bring back the former Universal Champion, they could set up a Dominic versus Lesnar showdown at SummerSlam 2025. This could be done by having the legendary star make a shocking comeback at the upcoming Premium Live event and cost Dominic the Intercontinental title. This will lead to the Phenomenal One becoming the new IC champion and leave the field open for the Beast Incarnate to challenge for a title he has never won his title in his career. On the flip side, Triple H can book a Dom vs Brock match to continue in the vein of previous plan at a PLE after SummerSlam. Recently, a new update broke on Lesnar when retired UFC star Daniel Cormier revealed that the Beast Incarnate was banned from WWE. Nevertheless, the current scenario is that the 48-year-old star can return to Stamford-based promotion only after he gets legal clearance from the TKO team. Hence, this speculation needs to be taken accordingly. Brock Lesnar spotted looking massive ahead of SummerSlam. Just a few days back, the Beast Incarnate was spotted with the star-looking jacket. This made fans believe that he could be preparing to return to the squared circle soon. In this image, Lesnar was wearing a cap and seemed to be a great shape. This isn't the first time that Brock has been spotted during his WWE. Previously, the veteran was seen with his daughter Maya Lesnar. Despite his absence from the Stamford-based promotion, Brock Lesnar has dominated a list of WWE best SummerSlam bouts. This ranking was released on WWE official YouTube channel, and the SummerSlam matches of the Beast got prominent mentions. Fans even started calling Brock Lesnar Mr. SummerSlam, and his impact in world wrestling entertainment was a topic of intense discussion. Only time can tell whether Lesnar will lack up his boots again in the squared circle.